Hello, I'm Roger Fawcett, CEO of Omnitek, and in this video I'll be talking through the Omnitek Warp IP. We'll be demonstrating it on the OZ7045 development board, which is shown here, and this contains a Zinc 7045, which contains an FPGA fabric which will perform the real-time warp transformation, in addition to a dual-core ARM processor which is used for control and serving out a web page to control it. It should be noted that this is actually a reasonable size FPGA here, and our Warp IP only uses a small fraction of this, so we can run in smaller, lower power parts. And during this demo we'll be running the Warp at 4K 60, but we can produce smaller IP for smaller footprint parts, for example 1080p HD video, but we can also extend the Warp IP to run up to 8K video at 120 Hz. So in this next section I'll demonstrate the operation of the web page control and talk through the different methods. So there are a number of ways to edit the mesh for warping. So what I'm going to show here is the basic high-level controls which are typically used on a projector. I'm first of all going to enable the wireframe on the output, and then I have various controls for example, the vertical size, which I can adjust like this, horizontal size. I have keystone, vertical and horizontal keystone, and rotate, which you can adjust like that. And if I now hit apply, then that applies that warp. I can disable the mesh here so you can see it without. And I can also store and recall presets. I have some presets here, as you can see. So I can also edit the warp output by using an arbitrary mesh, and I can set this to also a largely arbitrary number of points. I'm going to choose a relatively small number of points just to make it easy to edit. And then I can simply drag and drop these points on the web page user interface. And if I now hit apply to that, you can see that's applied to the output. And in fact, I can show the wireframe of what I've edited on the live output, and in fact I can edit on the live output as well, like so. So in order to do multi-projector stitching, I can also control edge blend. And here I can adjust the amount of edge blend on vertical and horizontal, and the gamma correction within that. And as you can see, as I apply that, it applies a crossfade at the edge of the picture, which can be seamlessly joined with another projector. So in here I'm applying an animated demo of a sequence of different warps.